Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Ask AI chat and get answers application as a translator. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, go to your home page and then click on this translator button in the middle of the screen. So here you can see the preset message or instruction. Act as an English translator, spelling corrector and improver. I'll speak to you in any language and you will detect the language, translate it and answer it in corrected and improved version of my text in English. Here you can see the sentence, but you can just simply type in your select all, cut it out, and type in a message such as please translate it from and your source language to your target language, such as this sentence, and then you type in your sentence. So you simply give an instruction in terms of translation. So it can be an expression, a phrase, a single word or a sentence. Then you tap on the send button and it will, here you can see the answer. So basically that's it. Feel free to use the preset message as well and just simply customizing it to your own needs. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.